In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Squarespace website and help you start fresh with a new one. Whether you're looking to rebrand, streamline your online presence, or simply start from scratch, I'll guide you through each step of the process so you can do it confidently and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to navigate to the Squarespace website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace login page. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logged into the one that contains the site you intend to delete. Once you're logged in, you'll typically land on your homepage or dashboard. To move forward, you need to find the Get Started button. Clicking this will guide you towards your site settings and administrative tools. This is where you'll have access to all your sites listed in your account. Once you're in the dashboard, take a moment to identify which site you wish to delete. If you manage multiple sites, make sure to select the right one to avoid any accidental deletions. This is a crucial step, so double-check to ensure you're selecting the correct site. Now, locate the ellipsis or three-dot menu beside the site. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the Delete option. This action is irreversible, so Squarespace may prompt you with a confirmation message just to make sure you really want to delete the site. If you're sure, confirm your choice and the deletion process will begin. Now, if you're ready to start over with a fresh new site, head straight to the Create Website option on your dashboard. This is where you can begin anew. You'll be prompted to answer some questions about your new website. Think about the purpose of the site, your industry, and any specific goals you may have for this new space online. Providing accurate answers will help Squarespace tailor their site recommendations to suit your needs. After you've answered these prompts, Squarespace will guide you to choose a template. They've got a fantastic range of templates covering various industries and styles, so take your time exploring these options. You can also opt to build one from scratch if you're feeling creative and want a truly customized look. Once you've chosen your template or decided to build one, jump into the customization options. This is where you get to tailor your new site to meet your personal or business needs, as well as your customers' demands. Experiment with layouts, colors, fonts, and other design elements until you're satisfied with the look and feel of your updated site. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your old Squarespace site and started the process of creating a new one. Whether you're starting fresh for a personal project or business venture, you now have all the tools you need to make your online presence exactly what you envision it to be. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.